Welcome back. Let's take a closer look at the actual program itself.
Okay.
You talked about how successful they are at placing people.
Yeah.
So what are they doing that's so effective?
Well, okay, so imagine that you are a veteran
Mm-hmm.
just out of the military trying to get a job in tech.
Okay.
You've got this amazing experience,
Yeah.
but how do you translate that onto a resume?
Right. How do you make it make sense?
Yeah. How do you speak tech?
Yeah, that's a challenge for sure.
Yeah.
Military jargon, it's like a whole different language.
Yeah.
And it doesn't always connect with the tech recruiters.
So VetsQ Code is helping with that.
Yeah, that's one of the things they do. They help veterans
Yeah.
reframe their experiences
Okay.
and highlight the skills that will work in tech.
So instead of saying operated complex radar systems,
Right.
they're saying things like analytical thinking,
Exactly.
problem solving under pressure or leadership,
Yeah. Right.
things that tech companies are looking for.
And it's not just the resume, is it?
No, the interview process in tech
Yeah.
is different too.
Yeah.
You've got coding challenges, whiteboard problems,
Oh, yeah.
behavioral questions.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
It sounds like they need someone to guide them.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure. Someone who knows both the military and the tech world.
Yeah.
And that's what VetsQ Code does.
Okay.
They do mock interviews,
Oh, wow.
resume workshops,
Okay.
and they do ongoing mentorship.
So they're not just getting them ready for that first interview.
No.
They're with them.
They're supporting them the whole way.
Wow. That's really cool.
Yeah, it is.
So are they like taking all the good parts of military training
Kinda.
and applying that to the tech world?
They're using those skills that veterans already have.
Yeah.
Discipline, teamwork, problem solving,
Right.
and then adding in the tech skills on top of that.
What kind of tech skills are they teaching?
They focus on stuff that's actually being used right now.
Like JavaScript that we talked about
Mhm.
and cloud technologies.
Sure.
So they can actually solve problems in the real world.
So these veterans are going to be building websites,
Yep.
creating apps,
Mm-hmm.
maybe designing those complex systems
You got it.
that power everything.
Exactly.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
But it's more than just the hard skills.
Right. They also do things like user experience design,
Okay.
which is making those websites and apps easy to use,
Yeah.
and GitHub,
Okay.
which is a platform where developers can all work together.
So they're getting both the technical and collaborative skills.
Yep.
Even with all this training, though, going from the military to a regular job,
Yeah.
it can be tough.
It can.
What are some of the challenges veterans are facing?
Well, the tech world,
Yeah.
it's fast-paced,
Oh,
informal.
Mhm.
It's all about collaboration and learning new stuff all the time.
Okay.
That's different from the military.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
It's like going from a symphony orchestra to a jazz band.
Exactly.
They both require talent and skill,
Yeah.
but it's a totally different style. So some veterans might need some time to adjust.
Yeah, they might.
Okay, but that's where the support network comes in.
Exactly. That's where VetsQ Code helps a lot.
Okay.
They've got people who understand
Yeah.
and can offer guidance.
It's all about finding that purpose,
Absolutely.
that sense of belonging
Yep.
in a new place.
VetsQ Code is doing more than just teaching them to code.
Mm-hmm.
They're opening up a whole new world for them
Yeah.
and connecting them with people who get it.
That's what makes them so special.
Yeah.
They're more than just a job training program.
Right.
They're a movement,
Yeah.
a force for good,
And it's working.
and it's working.
Yeah.
We're going to hear from some veterans
Okay.
in part 3
Awesome.
whose lives have been changed by VetsQ Code.
I can't wait.